From BS4 import BeautifulSoup. Going to import requests. Import image from the pillow library, and then from IO import bytes IO. So let's go ahead and get a variable created called search. So this is gonna be another interactive one. So input search for, and then we need to build the parameters object. So Q is going to equal search, so whatever we type in. Then we're going to create our request. So R equals requests get, and the URL for this one is going to be www.bing.com/images/search. I'm going to pass along params as params here. So if you guys didn't notice yet, what we're going to do is we're going to be saving images from Bing based on our search. Yeah, so let's go ahead and do that. So what we need to do is turn our page that we've just searched for into some soup. Oh. BeautifulSoup. And we're going to pass r.text. And we're going to parse it as HTML. Now what we need to do is grab each image. So I've looked through here already, and I found that each image is stored in an A element. Where's that? And it has a class of thumb. Now I'm not sure if it's going to show that here, because it shows all this stuff. But this is all generated by JavaScript after. So basically the properties you see here won't be what you get back. What you get back is an A element with a class of thumb, and then the URL, the href of the A element is equal to the actual location of the file. So I've already got that information. This looks a bit different. So how we'll do that is we'll create a variable called links. It's going to be equal to soup.findAll. We're going to find all A attributes or elements with the class of thumb. Then basically we're going to go for item in links. What we need to do is we need to actually we need to create a new request for each item's URL. So we're going to go ahead and print image URL. This is going to be our variable. Or let's just type image object. It's going to be equal to requests.get, and then in here we're going to pass in the item actors href. So this is going to get the file in a format that we can read. Now we couldn't just pass it the href element into an image .open call. It just wouldn't work. So we're also going to get the title of the image. And how we're going to do this, let's just type title. That's going to be our variable. We're going to get the item. We're going to get the attribute href. And then what we're going to do, because I guess with the image library there's not an easy way to get a title of a file name, what we're going to do is we're just going to split it at the last slash. So anything after the last slash is going to be the file name. So as you can see here, well, the slash, it would be the actual file name. So let's go ahead and split this. I'm going to split it at the slash, and then to get the last element in a list in Python, you go -1. In the index box there. So that's going to be the title that we're going to be using to save the image. So let's go ahead and create our image. So image equals image open. We need to wrap it in bytes IL, and then we're going to pass it in image object content. So there's our image. We have it open. We're now going to save the image to an images directory. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new directory, and I'm going to call it images. Let's call it scraped images. So we're going to use that here. So we're going to go ahead and save the image here. So img.save, and then we're going to say in the current directory find scraped images, and then we're going to use the title to save it. So it's going to be saved in that directory with its original title or file name, and then we're just going to type image format, and that's it. So let's go ahead and start this up, see if it all works as it should. So here we're going to search for pizza. And I forgot to put some print statements into there to see what it's doing, but let's just jump in here. And as you can see, images are being generated and saved to the computer with their original file names. Now this will go forever because I'm pretty sure Bing has, oh well, it'll go that far. So past the first load, it won't pick up anything because we're not actually scrolling down the page, which Bing checks for if you scroll a certain amount, but we're not going to be scrolling a certain amount because we've just pulled the DOM from the internet. So I think this is all it's going to save actually, but it didn't stop yet, so I don't think so. It's going to save a few more. I can't identify image. Awesome. So that's how to save images, and we could do that for let's put a print statement in here. So I'm just going to print out the URL. So print getting, then let's type out image or item attributes href. So for each item that it saves, it's going to then print that. So let's go ahead and start this again, and I'm going to search for Skyrim wallpaper. Let's just say I want to scrape a bunch of wallpapers off of the internet. It's going to do that. So if we come back over here, we're going to see that I'm going to start getting a folder full of Skyrim wallpapers.